Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie, aka Carmen. And today's video is going to be a November finds, like what I found this month. And some products that I'm like super obsessed with. So I want to say it's like a current favorites, but not really, because I want to go in depth. So these are like some of my current favorites, and I will have an in-depth current favorite video. I will link that down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that bell so you never miss out on an upload. Also, leave any comments that you have down below. I don't have my nails done, but I really want to make a video for you guys. So, you know, I'm proud of myself because I do not. And I am like, I'm going to do a whole baby hair video because I finally, if you don't follow me on Snapchat, that's down below. I finally mastered the baby hair. So if you're interested in what I found this month, go ahead and keep watching this video. First thing that I found, it was $18, I think, at Starbucks. It's a limited edition Starbucks tumbler, and y'all look how pretty that is. It's like iridescent, so freaking pretty. They was like, where are you gonna get that? Like, literally, I'm gonna take all my Instagram pictures with this when I get my nails done. And yeah, this is just for like looks and photos. I highly doubt I ever use this because it's just like so beautiful, yo. But this was the first find. It's limited edition. So only the place I think you can find is like Marcy, eBay, and things like that. They're sold out all where I live. Next thing that I got this month were this Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel, Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil. I think it looks so beautiful. I will do like a hair routine because I use it in my hair now. And then I also got this 24-hour edge tamer, extra max mega hold, Brills and Virgin Naturals. Got it from the local beauty supply store. It was $6. This was $3.98. These two products together work amazing for me. The edge curl control works really good. A little goes a long way. I don't use it. I'm going to do an update hair, everything, because I'm going to tell y'all the hack for the baby hair. I'm not going to get into that right now. And I also got that little edge brush for $2 at my local beauty supply. All this, got it from a local beauty supply. I will do an updated hair routine so you guys can see it. I actually don't have a formal hair routine, but I do have like a get ready with me where I do my curly hair. But I'll do a hair routine for you guys. Next thing that I did get this month was this Shea Moisture Ultra Healing All Over Hydrating 100% Raw Shea Butter. And as you can see, I freaking love this. I got this from Rite Aid. I don't remember the price, but this works really, really good. So, I have eczema, like really dry skin, and I've used this and my skin has been like so great. And this time of year, my eczema flares up and it gets so nasty and dry. And that's one of my insecurities when my skin, like my eczema starts acting up. That's one of my insecurities. I tend to lock myself in my house and I won't post pictures. I won't really do much. So this has really like been a lifesaver this month for me. Also this Conair like face, what do they call these? Like the little thing for to clean your face with. I got this. Walmart, $5. Came with 3 heads. I do have a vanity planner that I haven't reviewed yet because I want to do it on my skincare routine. That will be up soon, no later than the end of November, beginning of December. So don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on my skincare routine. I have nothing on my face, so I feel like I have pretty good skin to have sensitive skin and eczema and all that. I use this 3 times out of the week with a mild face cleanser, and I freaking love it. Like, easy to take off, They have 2 speeds. Yeah, I recommend it. This was a good find for me. Next thing is like this Ulta Beauty Glam and Glow 53-piece collection. I got it for $17 with all my bonus points, discounts for shipping and all that. My mom actually got it for me. So it was 20, retail for 29. They had it on sale for 20, and I got it for 17 after shipping and everything. So it was a little gift my mom got me. And you open it like this, and it has 32 eyeshadows, 2 lip liner pencils, 2 eyeliner pencils, 2 shiny liquid lipsticks, 2 shimmery lip glosses, 2 brushes, 2 highlighters, 2 bronzers, 2 large blending sponges, 2 small blending sponges, 1 blush brush, 1 eyeshadow blush, 1 crease brush. And for Ulta, I would say I said this before, excuse me, like a current favorites or like a haul did. Ulta is like a go-to for beginners. I feel like it's affordable. And they always have cute stuff like this. Like, you can pop these right out. And now you have like a traveling little makeup storage thing. So these are the eyeshadows. These are the blushes and highlighters. You have 2 highlighters. 2 matte blushes. Oh my gosh, you guys, they gave my favorite highlighter. I believe I said it in one of the videos. It's champagne highlighter. And I got it in my first ever Ulta little, like, bundle thing I got like this. I'll link that video down below so you can see what I'm talking about. And I love this champagne highlighter. They also have a rose gold and a shimmer bronzer. So I'm really excited for these. What I would say is I don't like these plastic containers because I feel like I'm sure these pop out and I really don't have nowhere to put them. And usually they come in an actual container. So that's the one thing I don't like. And then you have your eyeshadows. Your 2 row of eyeshadows. And these are good. Like, this is a good one for fall right now. If you guys want to see me do a look with this whole tutorial or a look with one brand or affordable products, I do have a lot of affordable brushes, concealers, foundation, and a lot of Ulta stuff is affordable. So if you guys want me to do affordable makeup look, just leave a comment down below and I'll definitely do that for you guys. I also got a little $5 off coupon. It's a little tricky trying to get these things out. So these are the lipsticks and lip glosses. Which this is like a good price. I'm kind of going to take this out and trash it. Oh wait, I need to take a picture of. I'll take them out and trash them later. But I'm super excited. I'm not going to swatch these. And, 1 second. Sorry, guys. Next is the things in the middle. And I've never had a little organizer like this. So I'm really excited because I was looking at some on Amazon. They're kind of expensive. So tell me if you guys like this new setup. And I am filming at night. It is currently 8 o'clock. So I got home from work, took a shower, and just threw these clothes on. I didn't take my hair down or nothing. All these things came today. Like the new stuff that I'm opening. This is the little blush brush, eyeshadow and crease brush. And then your lip liners, eyeliners, and the beauty blenders. And I need a new beauty blender. So I'm super excited. I always wanted these for my concealer. So I'm really excited about that. This is like a good steal, you guys. Also always like come through with everything. So yeah. Next thing that I have is my Kylie Cosmetics. It's pink still. I don't know if you guys know that. I got the lipstick. Ooh, the lipstick bundle. And she came out with 7 new high shine lip glosses. This is her new formula. I will say I had got her collection, 2 of her glosses. I will show you them in a minute. From the Jordan collection, I loved them. But I would want to say one downfall about Kylie. She does not put a lot of product in there. I noticed that. And I'm not going to complain. Whatever. They do retail for $16. The bundle was $100. Yeah, she does have a little product in there, but I still think they're really good lip glosses. So I'll open these and show you guys these in 1 second. Okay, so these are the 2 glosses that came with the Kylie and Jordan. If you haven't seen that video, it's linked down below. So go ahead, check it out, give it a thumbs up, share it. These are the high glosses. You can see to go try them. Don't buy them all. Just go try them out. I like them. This one was a little fuller. I noticed this one was a little fuller, and I haven't used this one. You see, it's a little fuller, and I haven't used this one that much. I used it when I swatched it for the video. Me too. I will do a video like how many swatches, applications could you get out of the Kylie Cosmetic High Gloss. So she came out with 7 shades, like I said, and I will show you all 7. Let me make some room. I'm right at this train table, right here. So yeah, I'll record at night if it looks better for you guys. The quality until I get my camera and my computer fixed. And if you guys like this space, I'll do this too. Alright, just let me know. So this first shade is, oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Okay, the packaging is really cute, coily. Is this pretty? Shade. This one is Daddy's Girl. And it's a pink. Same smell. She has snatched. She's snatched, honey. Food. A mauve pink. See, I think it's the sheer ones, because look. Oh, excuse me. I think it's just her sheer ones, because look. You see how much product, and I just wiped it a few times? So I would recommend you guys. This one's loose. So, I would recommend you guys get the solid ones. The glittery one seems to be that she's putting less product. So, that's a heads up for that. Next, we have Yes Girl. And this is a... Ooh... This is like a bronzy, and it has pink. It's like an iridescent, but it's like a bronzy color. Okay, this one has a lot of product. Ooh, that is so pretty. Don't mind my ugly nails. That is so pretty. So we have 3 left. We have Diva. This is like a pinky nude. Sorry, Mom's yelling. So yeah, I have Always Shining. Ooh, this is like my color right now. This Always Shining. And then last, we have Clear with a K. Clear is pink. Oh, she barely gave us product in this one. Y'all see that? Don't get clear, like literally. Do you see that? Like what? It's clear. Okay, I don't know if it's just clear, but it was a little sticky. It doesn't feel the same formula as the Kylie Jordan. You know what? If y'all want me to review all these and give you my opinion, like in depth, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Like I did say, get them on sale. Do not get the glittery or the sheer ones, like that glittery kind of one, because as you've seen, like they all weren't filled all the way up. So that's a problem for me. So I will be emailing customer service Kylie. Okay? Because I pay my money. Okay? Okay, let's get into the next thing. So I got this complimentary for testing purposes from Influencer. I will link it down below. And this is the L'Oreal Paris in black. And I did use it. I posted on IG. I did use it, so I do like it. It comes with the product and then a little, what is it called? Applicator brush? Or yeah, I guess applicator brush. Retails for $16.99. But I'm telling y'all, this is the applicator. I'm telling y'all, if y'all sleep on Influencer, you're getting products sent to you. Complimentary. Just to review them and tell the world. You're missing out. Link down below. Like I was saying, I love the formula of the Kylie from the Jordan. I thought it was going to be the same, so that's why I got them. But I'll get an in-depth review on those in another video. So hit that bell. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little collective haul, things I found this month. And if you guys could find this on a Marcy app, I seen them for like 30 bucks. Go get y'all this. This is beautiful. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for always supporting me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.